就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello, everyone. It is time for Icrt客家 right here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。跟你讲一个笑话。
什么笑话？
就是请问一下，一艘船上面，对不对？船长是要开船的嘛，对不对？
是啊。
那水手要干嘛的？
水手关灯。
冷笑话了，好了，这个月呢，我们在教一个片语叫做浪费 ，right？
浪费。
浪费 okay, it means to waste. And we're going to teach you how to actually turn off the lights when you leave a room and save energy. Let's protect our loving earth, okay? So let's put you in the situation. 离开房间记得关灯哦。When you leave the room, remember to turn off the lights.
離開間房。
離開間房。
記得關天火哦。
記得關天火哦。離開 to leave 叫做離開。OK， 然後房間就是
間房。
間房哦，間房 that is a room. And then to turn off the lights， 我們整個關燈怎麼說呢？
關天火。
There you go， 關天火。放心，我不會浪費電的。Yeah, you don't have to preach me on this because I always turn off the lights when I leave a room. Okay, so no worries. 放心，我不會浪費電。I won't waste electricity.
放心。
放心。
我唔會浪費天嘅。
我唔會浪費天嘅。OK，我不會浪費電。OK， 天就是電。That is electricity. 天 ，and then 我不會浪費。不會浪費 is not wasting.Wasting is 浪費 We've been teaching you that, right? 然後放心。
放心。
放心。All right. 很好，讓我們一起愛護地球。That's very good. Let's love our earth together. Love and protect our earth.
同好。
同好。
人來強下。
人來強下。
愛護地球。
愛護地球。
同好，人來強下，愛護地球。
TQ 應該是地球，我媽媽踢足球啊。TQ 其實是地球，那是 TQ。Okay, to kick a ball is TQ, but TQ that is our planet Earth. 地球哎。All right, that's great. Let's review some of these very useful phrases, including to turn off the light, 也就是關燈。
關天火。
關天火 and then electricity 電。
天
okay, that's just electricity. 天 one word. And then our planet Earth 地球 TQ. All right, and don't forget this whole month is all about not to waste, but we're teaching you how to say waste. That's 浪費 That does today's practical Hakka.
是母大家
俺只 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.